Germany is calling for teachers from all around the world. Germany is calling for teachers from all around the world. In 2025, the country faces a significant teacher shortage. This is not just a small gap, it is a major challenge for our education system. Schools across the nation need qualified and passionate educators to help shape the next generation. This situation creates a fantastic opportunity for you. If you have ever dreamed of living and working in the heart of Europe, now is the perfect time to make that dream a reality. Your skills are not just wanted, they are urgently needed to fill important roles in classrooms. The demand for teachers is strong, especially in STEM subjects like math, physics, chemistry. There is also a high need for teachers in English, arts, music. This shortage means that German schools are more open than ever to hiring professionals from abroad. They are looking for dedicated individuals who can bring new perspectives and diverse experiences into their schools. This isn't just about filling a vacancy, it's about enriching the educational landscape. Your international background can be a tremendous asset, offering students a window to the world and a different way of learning. But why should you choose Germany? The benefits are very attractive. Teachers in Germany enjoy a high level of job security. Before you can step into a German classroom, you need to get your teaching qualifications recognized. This is a crucial step in the process. Germany has a federal system. Education is managed by its 16 individual states, or Länder. Each state has its own specific requirements, so the process is not the same everywhere. Your main goal is to prove that your foreign degree and teaching experience are equivalent to the German teacher training program. This process ensures that all teachers meet the high standards of the German education system, guaranteeing quality for all students. The recognition process is managed by specific authorities within each state. For most academic qualifications, the Central Office for Foreign Education, or ZAB, can provide a statement of comparability for your university degree. However, for teaching, a regulated profession, you must apply directly to the recognition body in the state where you want to work. This is often part of the state's Ministry of Education, or Kultusministerium. They will assess whether your qualifications are equivalent to the German Lehramt. Lehramt typically includes 2 state examinations. To start this process, you will need to gather several important documents: your university diplomas and transcripts, a detailed breakdown of the subjects you studied, proof of your practical teaching experience. You will also need your passport or ID, a CV, and sometimes a certificate of good conduct. All of these documents must be submitted as certified copies. Anything not in German will need to be translated by a sworn translator. It is very important to check the specific list of required documents for the state you're applying to. Once your qualifications are on the path to recognition, you can start your job search. Germany has different types of schools where you can work. The majority are public schools, or staatliche Schulen, which are funded by the state and offer secure government positions. There are also private schools, or private Schulen, international schools, bilingual schools, faith-based schools. These private institutions sometimes offer more flexibility with recognition requirements and may be a good starting point for international teachers. Explore all options to find the best fit for your skills and career goals. Your application materials need to be tailored to German standards. A German CV or Lebenslauf is typically tabular and should not have any chronological gaps. It should include a professional photo, your personal details, and a clear overview of your education and work experience. Your cover letter, or Anschreiben, is equally important. It should be formal and address the specific school or hiring authority. Use it to highlight why you are passionate about teaching in Germany and how your skills match the school's needs. Always ensure your application is free of errors and professionally presented. You can find job openings on various online platforms. Official state education portals or Bildungsportal list vacancies in public schools. Websites like lehrer-jobs.de and general job boards such as Stepstone and Indeed.de also have listings. Networking can be very powerful, so consider joining online forums or social media groups for international teachers in Germany. These communities are a great source of advice, support, and sometimes even direct job leads. To make this journey feel less overwhelming, let's break it down into a clear checklist. Gather your diplomas, gather your transcripts, gather proof of work experience, get documents officially certified, get documents translated by a sworn translator, identify the recognition authority in your target German state, submit your application for qualification recognition. While you wait, start researching schools, prepare your German-style CV, write your cover letter, Once you have a job offer, begin the visa application process immediately if you're from a non-EU country. One common mistake is underestimating the time it takes. Start early. Another error is submitting incomplete applications or poor quality translations. Don't limit your job search to just one city or type of school. Make an effort to learn German. This process requires patience and dedication, but the reward is immense. Teaching in Germany is more than just a job. You'll have the opportunity to grow professionally, experience a new culture, make a real difference in the lives of your students. Remember, thousands of international professionals have successfully navigated this path. You are not alone. There are many resources and communities to support you. So, take the first step today. Start organizing your documents. Research the German states. Brush up on your German. The opportunities in 2025 are real and waiting for you. Germany is actively looking for talented teachers like you. Embrace this challenge with confidence and determination. Your adventure in Germany is about to begin. It promises to be life-changing. Take control of the process, stay motivated, and get ready to make your mark. Once you are in the public school system, your position is often a permanent one, known as a Verbeamtung or civil servant status. This provides stability that is hard to find in many other countries. The salaries are also competitive, allowing for a comfortable lifestyle. You can expect a good work-life balance with generous holiday allowances that give you plenty of time to explore Germany and the rest of Europe. Beyond the professional advantages, Germany offers an incredible quality of life. The country boasts excellent public transportation, affordable healthcare, and safe cities. You will find a rich cultural scene with countless museums, theaters, and festivals to enjoy. The natural landscapes are breathtaking, from the Bavarian Alps to the North Sea coast. Living here means being part of a society that values education, sustainability, and community. It is a chance to build a new life in a stable, prosperous, and welcoming nation that truly appreciates the work that teachers do. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.